Yo, what up, y'all? This is BK from Forge Crypto Trading. Today we're going to be taking another look at Bitcoin to the US dollar. So I recently made a video talking about how I think the top is in on Bitcoin. And then as you can see, it kind of played out, man. We went all the way down to 50K, but the trend is really bullish, and I did say that we might go to 45 or 42K, but I'm starting to think that this might be the bottom now, and here's why. Now, back in February to early March, we formed this inverted head and shoulders pattern. I'll just draw it out real quick. Let's hold up. Right there. I'm gonna extend the trend line just to see where we're at right now. So we never did back test the inverted head and shoulders when we broke out of it. So we just ran up and never came back down to test it as support. So I think what we may be doing now is just coming back down to test this area as support. And another reason why I think that is if we do the Fibonacci, just hold on. We're going to use the Fib retracement tool. And we're going to go from swing low to swing high. As you can see, we're hitting the common retrace zone of 61.8%, and we're using that as support as well. So, me personally, I'm not too worried about this. I'm not panicking, and I think that the bottom might be in. And another reason why I think that, if we go on the 4-hour chart, let's take a look at the MACD here. So, as you see, we got high levels of negative momentum, less levels of negative momentum, and then even less levels. And meanwhile, on the price, first low, lower low, even lower low. So that's triple MACD bullish divergence. Let's take a look at the RSI. I'm not sure if we got divergence there. No, we don't. That's just bearish convergence. But anyways, that gives me another reason to think that, yeah, this might be done. Like, we might be at the bottom here. All right, and I got another chart that I want to look out here as well called CHZ to the USD. Chiliz, it's called. Now, this chart is really bullish, man. I really like this chart, and I'm really stoked on it. So let's take a look at this one. Let's draw our pattern. So what I see here is a falling wedge. Super bullish pattern. Just 1 second. So right there we got our falling wedge pattern. Now let's fib it up and see what kind of Fibonacci's we get here. Let's just go on the 4-hour to make this easier. So we double bottomed off the 618, and now we kind of broke out a little bit under it, but we're using the bottom of the wedge as support. But the thing that I really like about this chart is, you guessed it, bullish divergence times 3, triple MACD bullish divergence. So higher levels of negative momentum, less levels of negative momentum, even less levels, just like on Bitcoin. But this chart, man, this chart looks really good. So I really like this chart. Now, this ain't financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do, but this is just an example of a good trade setup that someone could take if they were looking for a low risk, high reward opportunity. Now, where can we get some targets on this one? Fib it. And when you're looking for targets, you want to fib from the top to the bottom. And you want to be pinpoint accurate. You can do that by using the magnet tool to give you the best results. Okay, so our targets would be the 50% retrace. Oh, look at that. It lines up perfectly with previous resistance. So that'd be 69 cents. And then the 618 would be 75 cents. And if you want to go for the home run target, that'd be the 1618. That'd be $1.25. And that'd be dope if it gets there, man. Like, I'd love that. Anyways, this is BK. I just wanted to show you a couple of things going on in the markets right now. Foredge Crypto Trading. Like, subscribe, comment below, and join the Discord if you want more information. I post a lot of charts in there, and I'm here to help people. And like, I just want people to learn how to trade, man, so they can get this money with us. All right, man. This is BK signing out. Peace.